That's really tight.
All good.
There it is.
Welcome again to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. In this video, we replace the steering damper on a 2001 Jeep Wrangler. So check this out. I actually took it to a garage just to see how much it would cost to have someone else do this. They wanted $236 just for the parts alone, not even including the labor. So as we do on the Suburbanstead, I buckled down and did my research. I found the damper that I wanted on Amazon, $35. Nice. The research also made it very clear that we needed a very specific tool to take out one of the bolts. It's called a Pitman Arm Puller. And if you're going to do this job, you have to have one. Buy it or rent it, but you got to have one. So the total for both the damper and the Pitman Arm Puller tool, with shipping and tax, $57. Let's set up the workshop and get started. We had really good access to the steering assembly without having to jack up the Jeep. We removed the wheel side bolt first. Then we disconnected the stabilizer from the steering tie rod. The bolt connecting the damper to the steering tie rod has a tapered end. This is to ensure a snug fit, and this is where the Pitman Puller came in.
Should be fine.
That's really tight.
All good.
There it is.
Let's see that again in super slow-mo. Installed the wheel side first. Then we connected the damper to the steering tie rod. The damper we took out had a one-piece bolt and nut connecting to the steering tie rod. The new one had a nut on the bottom and another nut on the top. We double-checked to make sure that everything was tight, and then we finished it off with a sticker. Nice. This has been another production from the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. I hope you found the video informative and entertaining. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe and click on the bell to receive notifications when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.